On a quiet morning in 1908, deep in the remote wilderness of Siberia, the sky lit up with a fiery blaze, followed by an explosion so powerful it flattened an entire forest. Over 80 million trees were destroyed, covering an area larger than New York City. And yet, no crater, no impact site, no definitive answers. This is the Tunguska Event, one of history's most baffling mysteries. It was June 30th, 1908, when an extraordinary event shook the Tunguska region near the Podkamennaya Tunguska River in Siberia. Witnesses reported seeing a brilliant blue light streak across the sky, followed by a deafening series of explosions. The ground trembled, heat scorched the earth, and shockwaves knocked people off their feet hundreds of kilometers away. In total, over 2,150 square kilometers of forest were flattened. But here's the strange part. There was no impact crater. The object, whatever it was, had disintegrated before reaching the ground. The resulting shockwave circled the globe twice, as recorded by barometers worldwide. So, what could cause such destruction without leaving a crater? Scientists have debated this for over a century, and here are the leading theories. The most widely accepted explanation is that a rocky asteroid, about 50 to 60 meters wide, entered Earth's atmosphere. As it hurtled through the air, immense pressure and heat caused it to explode at an altitude of 5 to 10 kilometers, releasing energy equivalent to 10 to 15 megatons of TNT. That's 1,000 times more powerful than the Hiroshima bomb. The explosion's intense heat incinerated vegetation near the epicenter, while the shockwave flattened trees in a radial pattern extending outward for miles. Another possibility is that it was a comet, mostly made of ice and volatile compounds. A comet would have vaporized completely in the atmosphere, leaving no debris behind. This could also explain the lack of an impact crater, and the bright atmospheric effects observed in the days following the explosion. Some fringe theories propose more exotic causes, a microscopic black hole passing through Earth, a rare antimatter collision, or even a malfunctioning alien spacecraft. While these ideas capture the imagination, they lack scientific evidence to back them up. The remote location of Tunguska delayed scientific investigation for nearly 2 decades. In 1927, Soviet scientist Leonid Kulik led the first major expedition to the site. What he found was staggering. Trees flattened outward in a radial pattern, as if a colossal explosion had emanated from the sky. Yet no crater and no large fragments of an asteroid or comet were discovered. Kulik's team interviewed local Evenki people who described a fiery object in the sky and a deafening explosion. Some claimed the blast was so powerful it knocked them unconscious. Modern studies have uncovered microscopic particles of silicate and nickel-rich material in the soil, evidence of an extraterrestrial origin. Tree rings from the time show signs of environmental stress, likely due to the intense heat and atmospheric changes caused by the explosion. These discoveries point toward an asteroid or comet, but the lack of larger debris keeps the mystery alive. The Tunguska event wasn't just a random occurrence, it was a wake-up call. In 2013, the Chelyabinsk meteor exploded over Russia, injuring 1,500 people and damaging buildings. Though much smaller than Tunguska, it highlighted the real threat of near-Earth objects. Events like Tunguska remind us of the need for planetary defense systems, like NASA's DART mission, which recently demonstrated the ability to alter an asteroid's trajectory. Such measures could one day save millions of lives. Scientists estimate that similar events to Tunguska happen every few centuries. The next one might occur over a populated area, making prevention and preparedness critical. Despite over a century of research, the Tunguska event remains shrouded in mystery. Was it an asteroid, a comet, or something else entirely? As technology advances, we may one day uncover the full story. Whatever the truth may be, one thing is certain. The Tunguska event stands as one of history's greatest unsolved mysteries, a testament to the power and unpredictability of the cosmos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more incredible mysteries from history and beyond. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.